Hi, babies. Here. Mo, you take the babies in? These would have been the Lucas siblings, plus possibly some additional orphans. They're all at an age where their mamas are done. They're ready to move on. Mo is taken care of. That's probably what the Nana will look like, and probably like that, but bigger, different skin color. Mo is sort of sharing. Mo, are you a sort of a good dad? He's a sort of a good dad. When he leads him to the food, he only eats some, alright. He gets in there and gets a little bit of food. Nom nom nom. He could be like, it's all for me, but he's not. He still gets some. Oh. Not okay with that one? What's up with that one? Oh. The mood has changed. Mood has shifted. He's now hungry and then said that it's too many fellow nuts. I wonder if he just isn't up for loofahs, the ones that aren't loofahs kids. If that makes a difference. Because there's a couple that are slightly older. Bless you. Bless you, Mo. Mo? Did you bark? Uh-oh. Here comes Coffee. What are you gonna do? Oh, yeah. Hey, Coffee. Coffee's got an awesome tail. Oh. Mo, did you get chased off by Coffee? Where's your ladies?